baby trucks. Today, you'll learn about road construction. How cool is that, huh? What is that? Hey, there's Jill the road roller. It seems that she's building a new road. You're not dreaming, Sonny. Go say hello to Jill. It's really smooth, Sonny, isn't it? Wait, do you want to roll the road as Jill does? Okay, I guess you can try. But remember, Jill is a real expert on her job. She's been doing it for a long time. Okay, let's give it a try, Sonny. Oh, I see. You don't have a roller like Jill does. How will you do it, Sonny? Sonny, do you think that's the best tool for rolling the road? Then, let's rock and roll. All right, keep it rolling, Sonny. Oh, the road isn't really smooth, is it? Don't worry, Sonny. I think it's really good for a first try. Come on, Sonny. I think it's enough for today. Sonny, you have to go slower. Be careful with the holes. You're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, no, Sonny, are you okay? Oh, no, the cement on your wheels is dry now. We're gonna need some extra help now. Barry, Chili, Sonny got stuck in a hole while she was rolling the road. Oh, you're lucky, kid. Barry and Chili will give you a wheel. Good thinking, Barry. Go find some help. We'll wait for you here. Look, Sonny. Barry found your parents. John and Skylar to the rescue. Awesome! Well done, guys. Don't you worry, kid. In the future, you'll have the chance to be the best road roller in Car City. And until then, you can always play with your friends.